Okay, it's Tuesday morning, the 18th of June, and it's 6:47 a.m. in the morning here in UK. I just wanted to jump straight in and show you how I'm doing. Now, I'm on the affiliates page and I've gone to the commissions tab. And if I scroll down, you'll notice that I've got payments for $4, $4, $4. Then I've got a $5. I've got a $2, and then I've got a series of 5. So let's just first go down to the bottom. And so far in the system, I'm in the start of my second week. It's Tuesday. And in total, I've earned $300. Okay, just over $300. I did a withdrawal yesterday of $278. And since that withdrawal, I've got another 24 in the system that's not been paid. That needs to get at least to 30 before I can withdraw it out, which I'm very confident it's going to do. So first, let me show you the withdrawal. Okay, I put the withdrawal in yesterday's video. So if you want to find that, go and look at yesterday's video. And I withdrew that in Bitcoin. Okay, so let's have a look to see how I received that payment. So here I have my Exodus wallet, so I'm just going to sign in. So already, as you can see, 12 hours ago, I received my payment. So there's the payment I got actually in pounds, okay, £221. As you can see, it came in 12 hours ago, okay. So if it's 7 o'clock now in the morning here in the UK, that means that that payment that I requested yesterday was processed the same day. Okay, processed the same day. Now, let me just show you the ways that you can receive your money. Now, on your profile page, if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you'll find a section called Payment Info. So look at the ways you can be paid. You can be paid directly to PayPal. You can receive a check in the post, or of course you can receive Bitcoin. Now, if you're going to receive PayPal, you put your PayPal email address in there. I wanted Bitcoin, so I put my Bitcoin address in there. And then once you've done that, at the bottom of the page, you'll find a save button. You click save. Okay, but let me take you back over to the commission screen because I think it's very interesting what I'm about to show you. So here I am back on the commission page, and you remember I showed you these payments that for $4 and this one down here for $2. Well, how did I receive those payments? Well, if we go to the tab that says downline, you can see that I've got 20 leads, okay? Some of them have come from the system and some of them are from me recruiting and making videos like this. But you can see on level 2, I've got 5 people. Well, they're people I don't even know, okay? So I'm receiving $4 from those. These people on the next level, I'm receiving $3 from those. And these ones I'm receiving $2 on level 4 there, and on level 5 I would receive $1. I'm actually starting to earn from this family below me, if you like, and hopefully that's going to grow. I'm going to keep on promoting this for the next, well, for 30 days I said I'm going to do it. I'm going to promote, I'm going to make videos for 30 days and show you my progress. What I love about this system is you get 100 leads a day. You know, you can email those directly from the system. So let me take you over to the promo tools. Now, below the gentleman's video there is the compensation plan. Okay, so there's what I was telling you earlier was the 5 levels you see. But you'll also see, if I come down here and look at the bonuses, okay, and it's worth reading this stuff because you can get unlimited number of $100 bonuses each week by simply referring 5 new members. And you can keep getting those time and time again because as you recruit either from the leads or from, you know, people that you know, from posts that you do out on Facebook and Twitter, people will join. And if you get 5 every week, you'll get a bonus of $100. How cool is that? They even give you the emails. There's 10 emails here. And if you want to use the emails that the system provides, below each email there's a link that says import the email. So click that. That will take you over to the email system. Okay, you can send out an email by doing one or two ways. Okay, you can select the emails by date, or you can do mail all lead partners, and that's what I normally do. Mail all lead partners. I've got now 2,000 leads. Okay, and I send an email from the system. And the email that I just clicked and loaded is put the subject line in. And if you go down below the guy's video, You can edit this if you want, because this is a simple email editor. Okay, so you can edit this. Your link's at the bottom. I click this button to say, tick this box to say perfect timing. I've already sent an email. I've got to wait another 14 hours to send one from the system, because I can send an email every 24 hours. So there's 10 emails there for you to use. So get started. Below this video, you're going to find a link. Click that link. That will take you over to a page of a case study of where I've done a series of videos of showing you what I've earned, and obviously this one I shall be putting on there as well, about how I've done my withdrawal and all that sort of stuff. But it's a great little system. It's working fine for me. So let me just show you again my earnings. So as you can see, I've earned $302. So why not get started? Click that link below. It's a great little system, and you could be earning some money just like me each month, because this is residual income. Okay, you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in another video. Bye now.